In this video, we are going to see how to sign in or register on Diksha using your mobile. First, you should go to Play Store to download Diksha app. Now it is downloading. After downloading, just to open. Now you are going to select the preferred language you are going to select. Now let me select English. Once you select, then you give continue. Now welcome to Diksha. You are a teacher, student or other. You can select teacher. After selecting, now here you are going to select the board. Just you select the board. CBSE, so many boards, state government, so many boards are there. Now let me select the CBSE. Then you can give submit. Now medium of instruction. We are going to select the medium. Let me select English medium and submit. Now what are the classes you are taking? For the current year, you can select the classes. I am taking 3rd, 4th, 5th. These 3 classes I am handling for this year. So after selecting the classes, just you give submit. Then give continue. Now your location details it is asking where you are, which state you belongs to. Now my state is Tamil Nadu. So I am going to select Tamil Nadu and give submit. Now I'm going to select the district. It is coming under Kanjipuram district. So submit. Now I am going to update my profile. Here in the right corner of your mobile, you can find the profile. Just you click it. Now whatever we have selected there, the profile details you can find it, CBSE, English classes and other details. Now I am going to log in. Now there are 2 options for login. One is login with your mobile and email. Another one is sign in with Google. This is easiest way. So better you can go for sign in with Google. Now you can select the Google account which you want to continue. Now terms and conditions. Now just you read, since it is a government portal only, so nothing to worry. So it is we can give agree. I agree. Then you can give the continue. Now the mobile in the bottom right corner, profile will be there. Just you click the profile. Now whatever we entered, all the details it will appear. So my account, other details are there. Now you can see that the subject which I have opted, that can also appear here. If you want, anytime you can edit your profile. Now in your mobile you can find at the bottom courses. What are the courses available? Just you click the number of courses. It will for student course and teachers course also. Now view all. If you give, all the courses will appear. How to create explanation content? Mathematics grade 1 to 5. Just I want to do this course. Click the course. Now the option will come. You can join the course. Just you click the button join course. Now you can start learning the course. Just you can click. It is loading. Now you can see the video. What course you have selected. About that the video will appear. Now if you click next, it will go to the next module. You can play the second modules. Now you see 14% of course is completed. Now remaining portion you can complete. As soon as you complete the course completed successfully, that option will come. Then within 1 or 2 days you will get the certificates.